Hi, this is Ravindra Kale. This is to introduce all of you to a workshop of innovation and leadership. This workshop, friends, is designed to equip students with the essential skills of innovation and leadership. It explores the fundamental of strategic innovation and effective leadership, helping participants develop a growth mindset, think creatively, and lead with confidence in dynamic business environment. Now, what are the key learning objectives here? So, by attending the workshop, participant will understand objective and purpose of innovation in business, learn about different types of innovation and their application, explore innovation fundamentals, strategy formulation and approach, gain insight into the innovation spectrum and toolkit, develop leadership skills based on universal inner structure of an effective leader, understand the CATS model and various functions of leadership, and learn about leadership maturity progression and self-development. Thank you.
Hi, I am Krishna Murari. I am from JL 23 batch. I also am doing the dual specialization. Today I was attended leadership in innovation and by Sri Ravindra Kale sir, and it was a fantastic and great workshop which I have learned the Mahavakya of innovation, benefit of innovation, types of innovation, then development, leadership development, how to become a good leader, and how to innovate in the factory, in the industry, in the workplace. So I recommend that everyone should attend this workshop, and I am taking too much to my home from this workshop.
Myself Sachin Thakre. I am pursuing PGDM from Welingkar Institute and in final semester. Last 2 years I have got to learn a lot of interesting subjects like HRM and financial management. Now I am attended the innovation and leadership program by Ravindra Kale sir. This is an excellent program. I have witnessed and a lot of learning from this program about the types of innovation, process of innovation that can be implemented in our day-to-day industrial life, as well as leadership program also excellent, and got the tips to improve our leadership. Thank you.